I need to paint out the patches to make them blend into the background and disappear. Before I do that, I'm applying a base color coat to the wood. This is a thinned down varnish that I've colored with burnt umber powder and a small amount of red pigment to give the wood a slight red cast. After the varnish dries overnight, I'll go back and apply a second coat and allow that to dry for 24 hours as well. When everything is dried completely, then, using a thicker mixture of varnish and oil pigments, I'll paint in the necessary grain and wood figure, using typical faux graining techniques to blend the patches into the gunstock. Here's a look at what the patches look like after the first coat is applied, and you can see how it changes their look from before. The base coat itself has some tempering effect on the patches, and will allow for better control when painting in the faux grain. Now thanks for watching, and please come back next time.